Hello, let me show you all features and functions that you can find on the Sony WH-1000XM5. So first of all, the quick overview of all ports and buttons that we can find on these headphones. So first of all, on the left side, you can actually find the 3.5mm jack. What does it mean? That you can use also cable and use these headphones with the wired connection. Right here, you can also find the noise cancellation and ambient button, and it will actually you can actually use this button to change between these two modes by clicking on it once. Right here we can find USB-C port with LED light, so it will actually show you if your device is still charging. And on the right side you can actually find the touch sensor. So right here you can actually change songs, change the volume, and that's basically how it looks from all the ports and things that we can find on the headphones. Now let's go into the application. So right here, as you can see, we've got access into the noise cancellation, ambient sound, and we can also turn off ambient sound control. And when you tap right here, you can also find this option for ambient sound, so you can change the ambient sound level, and also you can enable voice pass, so it will actually filter in the voice while. And next, we can also find another function, the speak to chat, and we can also change the voice detect sensitivity with the 3 levels and time until the mode closes. Next, when you go below, we can find equalizer with 1, 2, 3 custom presets, and with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 default presets. You can also turn off equalizer, but if you want to customize it, that's how it actually looks. There's all the sliders, frequencies, and the clear bass slider. Now you can also find function to find your equalizer, so you can actually find it. You can set the sound balance by selecting sound while listening to music. Right here you can also find the 360 reality audio. Right here you can also change between the Bluetooth connection quality. So you can get sound quality, it will enable LDAC codec, and you can get a stable connection. There's also DSEE Extreme and support for spatial audio, but only in some compatible services. Now, when you go for the next options, we get the system settings. So this headphones support 2 devices simultaneously. There's also option to use voice assistant on Android, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and on iOS you can use Siri. Right here you can also turn on and off the touch sensor, so if you don't want to use this, you can for sure adjust this. You can change this ambient and the noise cancellation button. You can even turn it off if you are not using this. Then you've got quick access. So what it does, basically we can change the services assigned to the quick access. Here we can find automatic power off. We can turn it on or off. The same when the pause when headphones are removed. Notifications and a voice guide, and we can even change language of this voice guide. Right here we can find automatic software updates. We can perform our reset, and we can link services. So that's how it looks from the system. When you go to the services, we can actually link Spotify. So there's like Spotify tab extension, and also right here we can turn on our device. So if something is wrong with your button, the power button, you can simply turn it off by using this switcher. And also right here you can find support for LDAC codec, and there's also the battery percentage right here, and that's basically it, like all the features that you can find. For sure, there's also some, touch controls, but they are not mentioned right here. So I'm gonna actually record second video and show you how you can actually use controls.